guys, I'm gonna wind down the updates on the F-250 with this one. Got the bed painted today. I'm pretty pleased with it. It turned out pretty decent, I think. There's a little bit of dirt in there, but you know, it's kind of a garage paint job. You gotta expect that. And some happy little creature got into it right there. But other than that, I think this project's pretty well wrapped up. Throw it back together. It had some decals on the back of the bed there. I don't know if I'm gonna put them back on or maybe come up with something different. I don't know. We'll see what happens there. But other than that, this project's pretty much done. The paint actually matched up pretty well, I think. So I'll leave you with that, and hopefully we'll be on to some more fun projects here pretty soon. Hope y'all are having a good weekend, and catch you next time.